Good morning, mid-Missouri. It is a clear start again this morning. Skies have been clear overnight. We've got high pressure in place and winds are out of the east, but they're relatively calm, and that's a recipe for efficient cooling here at the surface where we get some of that warm air to rise. We're looking at temperatures solidly in the 40s with a lot of these blues showing up on the map. When we zoom in, you'll see that those blues are actually 30. So hidden amongst the 40s is a lot of upper 30s already, and that's about 4:30 this morning. These temperatures are going to continue to fall, so that means frost is possible and maybe even likely in some patchy areas, especially north of I-70, maybe east of Columbia, east of Highway 63. You may be thinking, how can we get frost if we're well above freezing? Well, we record the air temperature about 5 feet above the ground, and we know warm air rises, and so that means cool air sinks. And so you can get a temperature discrepancy between that 5 feet above the ground layer and the ground itself. So you could be at about 37 and still get your temperature down just to that freezing mark, which would allow some frost to form. And that's what we're likely going to see this morning. As we head throughout the next 24 hours, that chance for frost becomes a little less likely as we see temperatures warm a bit more by early tomorrow. We're still likely in the low 40s for most of us. So again, frost potential is still there for early Friday morning, but otherwise heading into Friday afternoon, we're back into the low to mid 70s, and we're steadily warming from there with more warm influence out of the south and west. Heading over the next 7 days, it's looking very dry with very cool to seasonable temperatures, at least until we get to the weekend. And then we're a little warmer than normal, back near 80 by Monday. And then we're looking at slight chances for rain as we head into Tuesday into Wednesday, but there the chance is a very, very slim one. It looks like for the most of us, we may just get left with some more cloud cover.